Remember when ranking #1 on Google was basically a guaranteed win? You'd hit that top spot and watch the clicks, impressions, and sales roll in. Today's Google search results look completely different. That traditional #1 result? It's often buried halfway down the page, hidden under AI overviews, featured snippets, people also ask boxes, and carousels. So the challenge isn't just about ranking anymore, it's about visibility. And today I'm breaking down exactly how you can increase your website visibility and actually win in this new era of SEO. By using this step-by-step process, we here at Exploding Topics grew our SERP feature presence by 149% in 5 months. Crazy, right? So grab your pen and paper and let's go through the list. Step 1, find SERP feature opportunities. Before you start optimizing anything, you need to figure out where your biggest opportunities are. This is where Semrush comes in handy. Enter your domain in the Organic Research tool and click on the Positions tab. Then click the SERP features dropdown and select Domain Doesn't Rank. Choose a SERP feature like Featured Snippet, and boom! You see all the keywords where Google is showing featured snippets for other sites, but not yours. You can do this for AI overviews, people also ask, and all the other features. But here's the thing. Different keywords trigger different features, so you need to know which ones actually appear for each query. Otherwise, you're wasting time chasing an AI overview for a keyword that doesn't even show one. So once you've identified your opportunities, let's talk about what you need to optimize, starting with the biggest one on the list. Step 2, optimize AI overviews. AI overviews are Google-generated summaries that appear at the top of search results. When they show up, they're the most prominent SERP feature, taking up a ton of space. To optimize for AI overviews, answer informational queries concisely. Use short sentences and simple language. Structure your content with headings, subheadings, lists, and tables. Use statistics. Google loves quoting concrete numbers and statistics in AI overviews, so incorporate data wherever it makes sense. Cite authoritative sources, and if you're using your own original research, make that clear. Also, build your brand reputation through positive reviews, backlinks, and mentions. Even unlinked brand mentions help Google see you as trustworthy enough to cite. Now, AI overviews are just one piece of the AI search puzzle. There's also a bigger shift happening. Number 3, optimize AI mode. Google's AI mode is now fully integrated into search. You can access it from a tab link on Google, or click Dive Deeper in AI mode under an AI overview to launch a full conversation with Google's AI. But it's not just Google. ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, Grok, DeepSeek, they're all functioning as alternative search engines now. Your visibility across these platforms depends on 2 things. Number 1, share of voice. The more frequently you're referenced for industry-relevant queries, the more dominant your visibility is. Number 2, sentiment. Positive perception across third-party websites and social media influences whether AI models actually promote your brand or just mention you neutrally. To show up more often in AI answers, target the right prompts by using tools like the Visibility Overview Report in Semrush to reveal real AI prompts where your brand isn't showing up. Enhance your EEAT by creating content clusters and referencing original research. And finally, work on your brand perception. All right, let's move on from AI and talk about one of the most valuable SERP features you can capture. Step 4, optimize featured snippets. Featured snippets are short excerpts, so paragraphs, lists, or tables taken directly from a web page and displayed at the top of search results with a link underneath. But unlike AI overviews, a featured snippet only pulls from a single page, which means the entire box is dedicated to your page alone. That's maximum visibility. To rank in featured snippets, use summary headings near the top of your content. Write direct introductions that satisfy search intent immediately with short answers. Use declarative, information-dense sentences. Match existing featured snippets by studying the format, structure, and tone while providing a more informative response. And use tables for complex data and comparisons, especially in product roundups. Featured snippets are great for capturing that top spot, but there's another feature that appears right alongside them. Step 5. Optimize People Also Ask. People Also Ask boxes display a list of related questions users commonly search for. Each question expands to show a short answer and a link to a single source. To rank here, use question-based subheadings throughout your article. Tools like Also Asked can help you find common follow-up questions. Write clear, concise answers immediately after each heading, and where possible, mirror the phrasing of the question in your answer. Now let's talk about a feature that doesn't just get you one link, it gets you multiple. Step 6. Optimize sitelinks. There are two types of sitelinks. Number 1. Related pages that appear under your main result for branded queries, which are great for navigational searches. Number 2. Horizontal sitelinks under blog posts, which are internal jump links to sections within the same page. Both types give you extra SERP space and more clickable links than competitors without sitelinks. You can't manually choose which sitelinks appear, but you can influence Google by using clear, unique page titles to make sure every page title accurately reflects the content of the page, creating clean site architecture with logical hierarchies, optimizing anchor text by using consistent descriptive anchor text and link to core pages frequently across your site, inserting a table of contents within blog content, and avoiding duplicate titles across pages. Try not to use similar titles for pages targeting different intents. This can confuse Google and hurt your chances of site links showing up. Okay, we've covered a lot of text-based features, but what about visual content? Number 7, optimize image and video carousels. Google usually places image and video carousels near the top of the SERP for visually focused queries, especially on mobile where they take up prominent space. To optimize for these, host videos on YouTube since they're more likely to appear in Google's video carousels. Use original media instead of stock visuals, as Google tends to favor unique, high-value media that complements your content. Optimize your video titles and thumbnails to be concise and catchy. And add transcripts and closed captions to help Google understand the context. So we've covered all major SERP features on Google, but here's the reality. You can't put all of your eggs in the Google basket. People are finding content and products on tons of other platforms. Many users now rely on AI chat tools to ask questions, compare products, and get recommendations, bypassing Google entirely. For AI search engines like ChatGPT and Perplexity, create factual, well-sourced content with clear formatting. Target informational and comparative queries. AI search engines often use sources from the web when they're asked questions with informational or comparative intent, like the best tools for, or how does X compare to Y? Make sure your content addresses these angles with detailed breakdowns. Publish original insights, as AI tools are more likely to cite content that includes original data or unique insights. And strengthen brand mentions across the web. Even unlinked brand mentions in Reddit threads, blog posts, or public databases can improve your authority in AI search engines. Now, if you want a complete step-by-step breakdown of how to actually improve your website's SEO for both traditional search and AI platforms, check out this next video. It's the full playbook for ranking in 2026. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.